Good day, I'm Eugeko and I'm from BSI 2B. So, sorry po for the attire, nasa biyahe po kasi. So, today let's talk about the topic I chose. What was the best advice I have ever received? We all have those moments, those turning points where a simple advice changes everything. For me, it came during a time that I felt like I was being left behind in everything I do, especially in academics. There's this someone I chit-chatted and talked about life and gave me this advice. Accept the situation. It's okay. It happens. It's life. At first, it sounded so simple, but sorry po, so let's continue. At first, it sounded so simple, but as I let the words sink in, I realized what it means. Acceptance isn't about giving up or pretending that things don't hurt. It's about acknowledging the reality, understanding that setbacks are part of the journey. It's about freeing yourself from the grip of anger, resentment, and regret. By accepting the situation, you could finally start to heal and reveal. Those words have been stuck to me ever since. They remind me that even the darkest of times, there is always a path forward. Acceptance is the first step towards resilience, growth, and peace. So, the next time you feel that you are being left behind and helpless, remember that it's okay. It happens. It's life. Accept it and keep going. So that's all. Thank you.